This is the Pacific view from Ensenada. We are looking at a 2-bedroom apartment where the focus is exactly where it should be: the ocean. The main living area and the kitchen are one single open block. It's bright, it's simple, and it leads right out to the balcony. This is easily the best spot in the house for the breeze and the view. The primary bedroom also faces the water. It's a quiet space with its own bathroom. The second bedroom is right across the hall, perfect for guests or family. Everything here is about lifestyle. You have the social areas and beach access just a short walk away. It is a gated community with 24/7 security, so it worked perfectly as a weekend escape or a rental property. If you're looking for a solid spot in San Carlos with a view like this, let's talk. Check the description for more information.